It's the last days of March. It's been raining all day, now snow. What better thing to do than go look at waterfalls?
A waterfall like this, and this one, and this one. Wow, it is really starting to snow here. It is pretty spectacular seeing the waterfall and the snow fall. This is April in Maine. Welcome. We're here at the Hadlock Brook Waterfall right by the epic Carriage Road Bridge. This is a phenomenal place. I'll try and get back here after thunder showers if we get any this spring. This really starts flowing. Hey, it's good to see you all. All right. And just uphill from this creek, you come to one of the most beautiful hemlock groves here on the island. Really stunning space. Definitely an old still. So I was feeling lost for a little while, but I feel like we're on the right track now, so here we go. So this is really my favorite waterfall in all of Acadia. I'm not going to tell you where it is. I've left you a couple of clues. But for me, this is just one of the most tranquil, beautiful, off-the-beaten path spots. It's not a big waterfall, but it is absolutely stunning. And on a summer's day, very cool down here in this little gorge. Welcome to the Millbrook Waterfall. Millbrook is a really easy one to access. It's actually on the town of Bar Harbor's land, and it's right next to what is a really cool walking path that's an extension of Old Norway Drive. Look it up on a map. If you follow this downstream just a little bit past this beautiful swimming hole here, Millbrook forms the eastern border of the college's Cox property. And eventually this flows right to the corner of Norway and Crooked Road, where the Stone Barn is and Peggy Rockefeller Farm, and then Millbrook turns into Northeast Creek, flows through the Cranberry Bog, and ultimately out into the ocean. This is just a really small selection of the many waterfalls on MDI. Spring is an awesome time to see them with the snow melt and spring rains. So many special places on the island.